One of the best parts of our job at Worldwide Services is letting customers know how much money we're going to save them. Our IT maintenance solutions deliver big savings, and today we're going to discuss how we saved a utility company over $1 million annually. The challenge: one of the nation's largest utility companies was locked into a price-prohibitive buying cycle with a major OEM. They were pressured to pay high and escalating recurring annual prices for their network IT maintenance. The OEM's stringent pricing tactics forced the client to only purchase additional hardware in bundles and was forcing the utility into unnecessary upgrades. Our solution: we customized a solution for the client that removed their high-price maintenance items from the OEM contract and replaced it with our low-cost NetGuard maintenance program. This hybrid solution allowed the client to keep critical network items that required software licenses with the OEM, while being able to realize a significant annual cost savings on their overall network maintenance. We specialize in identifying these hybrid IT maintenance solutions. The outcome: the client realized an annual recurring cost savings of over $1 million by switching to a NetGuard IT maintenance solution without sacrificing any level or quality of service. Want to hear how a custom solution can significantly save your business on your network, server and storage IT maintenance? Give Worldwide Services a call today. 855-920-3080.